Hey trader, I'm Loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I want to show you how you can properly use the right position size calculator to trade Forex markets. The first step is to fund your trading account, and if you are here to do so, click on the link below this video description and register with the reliable broker I use, and I will see you after the intro. Before you press buy or sell, there are certain things you need to do. Let's assume you have $1,000 account on your MT4 or MT5. The first step is to go to a site called babypips.com. First step is to establish a trading plan, how you are going to trade the $10,000 account, the percentage you are going to risk per trade, how many trades you need to take before you blow the account, or how many times you need to trade before you make profits on the $10,000 account. I will drop the link to get access to this position size calculator below this video description. On the page of position size calculator, the first tab here is account balance, where you can input the trading balance on your MT5 or MT4. Let's assume you have $10,000 trading capital. You insert it here. The next tab is risk percentage, where you calculate how many percentage are you willing to risk on this $10,000 account. The proper risk management rules is 1% for any beginner trader. You are not supposed to risk above 1% on your capital. Let's input our 1%. The next one is stop loss option, and you can only determine this through the setup you are taking as at that moment. It depends. Sometimes you will take a trade that will give you 20 pips. Sometimes a trade that will give you 10 pips stop loss, sometimes 30 pips sell. It depends on the setup you are taking as at that moment. Now I'm going to show you one of the setup that I took not quite long on DPP-USD, how to calculate your stop loss for you to be able to know the exact loss size you are going to use. If you look at the price action on the daily time frame, you will agree with me that the buyers are the one ruling this market currently. It was a bearish market before, from this high to this lower low, lower high, lower low. Then there was a change of market structure whereby the buyers took charge of the market. Once you establish change of structure on the daily time frame, which control the lower time frame for the day, you have to adjust your market sentiment to what the price action is saying on the daily time frame. The next step is to establish our support zone, where we want to execute our buy position. After doing that, we scale down to our entry time frame, which is 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we have to exercise patience for the price action to retrace down to our point of interest and give us two signs, which are volume reduction and change of market structure, to align with the bullish sentiment on the daily time frame. Let's play the candlestick. The price action is still bearish on 30-minute time frame. We need the price action to correct. So we've seen the first sign, volume reduction. Then the next one, finally, we now have our change of structure. The price just changed the structure from bearish back to bullish structure right now. We are now going to use our long position tool, since we are taking buy setup. If you go to your toolbar here, you click here, then you activate your long position tool, or you can favorite it so that it's going to appear on your screen. So let's click on our buy position long tool, then we activate it like that. Then we position our SL. This red level zone serves as our stop loss zone, while the green level zone serves as our take profit zone. If you double click on the stop loss, it's going to bring out a dialog box. At this top level section, ticks represent number of stop loss you want to use. For instance, we want to use 50 pips stop loss for this trade, and the value of the stop loss is going to be 500. 500 ticks represent 50 stop loss. If you want to use 10 stop loss, you are going to put 100 ticks inside the box. In this video, we are using 500 ticks, which serves as our 50 pips. If you look at the entry section, this is the price, our entry price, and this is our stop loss price. The next step is to input the value of 50 stop loss on our position size calculator website, this option here, by typing 50 pips. When you type 50 pips here, you click on calculate. When you click on calculate option, it will bring the result of the data you inserted here. That shows that on your $10,000 trading account, you are risking what? $100 per trade, because 1% of $10,000 is $100. The next option is standard lot, and the value is 0.2 lot size, which means that we are only going to use 0.2 lot size on this trade we want to take. So we'll copy this 0.2 lot size and input it on our MT4 or MT5. So we are going to copy this value as well, entry price, and put it on our entry price zone on MT4 or MT5, depending on the mental trader you are using. And then the stop loss price as well, you are going to copy it and input it on your MT4 or MT5. When you do that, then you press buy on your MT5 or MT4. Let's play the candlestick. You can see on this trade we are targeting ratio 1:2, and let's see what is going to happen. Then finally, the price action smashed our take profit zone. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification whenever we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.